Hello and welcome back to the Gourmet Gambit. And today we're going to make a Chianti Braised beef. We don't need a lot of spices this time. It's more about all the fresh ingredients and the herbs. So what we're going to need is of course some salt and some black peppercorns. We're also going to use one little chili to give it a little punch, a good tablespoon of oregano and a good tablespoon of sage. We got a leek, we got 2 celery sticks, 2 bell peppers, a large onion. We're going to use about 8 to 10 garlic cloves, of course a good bottle of Chianti or another Italian wine if you like. We got some fresh thyme and we got some fresh bay leaves too. We're also going to use 2 cans of peeled tomatoes, eventually some parsley for the plating, and we're going to add the stems also. And of course we got our beef. I'm using some lower plate. The bones are going to give a lovely flavor. It's got a little bit fat on there, I agree, but that's going to give us some beautiful flavors too. It's a very cheap cut, but of course you can choose any cut you like. We're just going to crush our tomatoes a little bit. I'm going to use my clay pot for this recipe. Of course you can use any oven plate you like if you don't have a clay pot. We're just going to start to put the chili on the bottom. Then we're going to put the thyme on the bottom too, and the bay leaves. Add the black peppercorns. You can add half a tablespoon or a whole tablespoon, that's up to you. We're also going to add some salt on the bottom. Now we're going to add the beef. Put half of the vegetables, oregano, sage, some more salt, a few more peppercorns, some more tomatoes. The rest of the vegetables, the rest of the tomatoes, a little bit more salt, and of course the Chianti. And we're going to cover the clay pot with aluminum foil. When you use a clay pot, it's better to start off with a cold oven. And we're going to put our temperature up to 180 degrees Celsius for the first hour. After 1 hour we're going to lower the heat down to 160 degrees and it's a go for another 2 hours. So here we are 3 hours ahead. We're going to take off the aluminum foil. We're going to push all the vegetables in the juices. Now we're going to put our oven up to 190 degrees Celsius and it's a go for 1.5 hour at least. We're just going to check once in a while if the sauce won't dry too much and add some water if necessary. Chianti Braised beef, low and slow, here we go. I hope you enjoyed the video and it was useful for you. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so and hit that bell. It's a great motivation for me. And as this story ends, my dear friends, all that's left to say, bon appetit and see you back soon.